Today's story is The Boys and the Frogs. Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a pond filled with water lilies and green reeds. This pond was home to many happy frogs. They jumped, croaked, and played all day. One sunny afternoon, a group of boys came to the pond. They were bored and wanted to have some fun. One of the boys picked a small stone and threw it into the water. Splash! The frogs quickly dove underwater to hide. The boys laughed. Let's see who can throw the stone the farthest, one of them said. They started throwing stones, aiming at the frogs. The stones hit the water, but some stones hit the frogs. Ouch! Cried one frog. That hurts. Another frog said, why are these boys being so cruel? We didn't do anything to them. The oldest frog, wise and calm, decided to speak. He came out of the water and croaked loudly. Stop, boys. Please listen to me. The boys paused, curious about what the frog would say. What is fun for you? The wise frog said, is pain for us. You are laughing, but we are suffering. Imagine if someone did this to you. How would you feel? The boys became silent. They looked at each other, feeling ashamed. One of the boys said, we didn't think about that. We are sorry, frogs. We won't throw stones anymore. The frogs smiled and thanked the boys. From that day on, the boys played happily near the pond without hurting the frogs. So, friend, the moral of the story is think before you act. Your fun should not hurt others.